This quick video is about how to stop Google Maps saved your search history or visited places history or location on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open Google Map, then click here. Now tap Settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Let's open Map History. Now first delete your existing search history. For that, just click Delete and tap Delete All Time. Delete. Got it. That's it. Now open Saving to Web and App Activity. Okay. Actually, if you turn off this, all your Google Maps web activity and search history will not be saved. Okay. Now just tap Turn Off. Scroll down and tap Pause. Got it. That's it. After this, your Google Maps search history and location will not be saved on Google. Yeah, that's for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.